What did you get? Is that a slide? Wow. Can you go down it? Can you go down it? Look at your slide. Who got that for you? Grandma Cece did. Here, go down the slide. Go up over here. Can you climb that? Whoa. Wow. Sit down. Go down the slide. Here she comes. Yeah, that's a moon. Sort of. Go down the slide. Whee! Yay, Rosie! Good job.